Market is about to open in 1 minute, and I'm looking to get into AMD on 70. Meanwhile, Tesla sell position on 185. It looks more like Tesla because the market here NQ is dropping. There we go, market opened. Tesla's going wild. AMD dropping a bit. I'm in these. That's right. Keep dropping, Tesla. I'm up so massively. I'm out. 118 pounds. There's still room for it to drop. There we go. Wow, new low. Could have held it on a little longer, but I ain't taking my chances with these market opens. Looking at Amazon upside. NQ's ripping. I'm in these. Wow, huge strength on NQ. Let's have a look. Wow, Meta. There we go, Amazon's ripping. Tesla's ripping. Buyers are back. It's not stopping. There we go, 300 US dollars and I'm out. Okay, I'm out. Wonderful. Caught Amazon. What a wonderful play.